Thank you, Mr. President. The fundamental purpose for the establishment of the United Nations are mentioned in the Charter is to develop friendly relation on the basis of self-determination of peoples. The International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and International Covenant on Economical, Social and Cultural Rights refer to this basic right. The General Assembly, while establishing the Human Rights Council, also mentioned the importance of the right of self-determination of peoples. Self-determination is indeed a fundamental right without which it is not possible to enjoy any civil, political, economical, social and cultural right mentioned in any international instrument. These fundamental rights continues to be denied to the people of Jammu and Kashmir since the day Indian military landed at Srinagar airport in Kashmir's capital. Denial of this fundamental right has led to further violation and outright abuses. In the last 25 years, 80,000 Kashmiri have been murdered by the Indian occupation force. Kashmiri civilians have been subject to torture and detention and women to rape. A whole generation has been raised in constant fear of military attacks, search, fire and other abuse. The right of self-determination has been given to the Kashmiri people by the Security Council. It was promised by the Indians' founding father. However, they took no time in reneging on their pledges as soon as Indian aggressive invasion and occupation of Kashmir was complete. Mr. President, the people of Kashmir had pinned their hopes to the peace process between India and Pakistan. However, so far this process has not led to any roadmap for realization of the right of self-determination. Mr. President, Indian atrocities on peaceful protesters in Kashmir last month have once again been noticed by several international bodies. I hope that this Council will also take notes. It should raise its voice against the injustice of occupation which had led to murder, torture and rape. I thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Madam, for your statement.